Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, you know me. My name is Shahrul. You may call me Sir Shahrul. We are meeting again for this year, 2021, another year after, I will say, challenging and difficult year last year 2020 with the pandemic spreading the world. For this term, once again we face the new norm of learning online classes, PdpR, pengajaran dan pembelajaran di rumah. I would say it's not really difficult, but it's still hard if you not prepared with your internet access, with your IT device such as laptop, such as personal computers. So we must endure all of this for our good, for our easiness in the later days. Who knows when will the pandemic is over? We don't know. Wallahu alam bisawab. Okay. As earlier, I am Sharul. I will teach you for this year, for year 3, standard 3, English subject for Serai Sungai Manggis. Okay. For this subject, you have been given a textbook which the title is Get Smart Plus 3. Okay. On the screen, you may see the textbooks. This one is from the module unit 1. Welcome. Okay. Once again, welcome to January 2021 and welcome to subject English year 3, standard 3, English subject. I hope you all very excited to continue our journey in primary school standard 3 after you are finishing standard 2. I don't know, how come you take on how you complete your learning in year 2. I hope in this year we get along very well, even though I don't know whether we can meet face to face in class or only like this method, online classes. Okay, for this English subject, I prefer to prepare you video learning. Apart from Google Meet, I'm not really fond into Google Meet, because Google Meet is required you to come into that time. I believe there is no recording in Google Meet, so it's quite hard. If you miss the class, that's it. You miss the class. You cannot repeat the video. So that's why I prefer to record you video, and then you can watch the video many times again. You can learn, you can understand, you can study, okay, and you can ask your parent, your mama, your papa, what is the meaning of this, okay. Better like this. I will post this video into the WhatsApp group. You may ask your friend if you don't understand. This is better from Google Meet. Google Meet, you need exercise. Not exercise, I mean you need internet, and then you must come into that time. If 10 p.m. 10 p.m. lah. If you 2 p.m. 2 p.m. So I'm not fond into this certain time, fixed time. I would like to flexible time. So this video you may watch in the evening, in the morning, in the late night, or whenever you like. Your parent not every time got internet on handphone, limited handphone, right? One family maybe at least 2 handphone. So it's quite hard when the when there are maybe 3 or 4 students sharing one handphone. Is quite hard. So I understand better use video rather than Google Meet. Okay, so there is no Google Meet for me. Later on, I don't know, maybe not. For the time being, I am using video method. You may watch them again and again. Okay, thanks. Now we continue to our first learning on this subject, year 3 subject. Okay, year 3 Smart Plus. Okay, for this subject, welcome, unit 1, module 1. Okay, for unit 1, module 1, welcome. Okay, welcome. You know welcome? Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to this event. Welcome to the race. Welcome to my house. So welcome is welcoming you to come into new place or event or whatever majlis, to welcome you, to make you feel happy, make you feel pleased. Okay, welcome, mengalu-alukan. Okay, first we will listen to a song. This song originally is from the author. Author is, you know, the English author. Orang putih write this song. So maybe this song is quite awkward for us. Not really into tune, Malaysian tune, but it's okay. We are welcoming any sort of culture in this world, whether they are from US, from UK, from Japan, from African, from Russia. It's okay. So this time I believe it's from, I don't know whether they are from United States or from United Kingdom. Okay, this sing a song. Okay, we will listen together, and I hope you student try to catch up with the song, sing together, get along with the rhythm, get along with the intonation, get along with the pronunciation. Okay, first we may look in this page. Okay, first these are some adjective. Okay, you know adjective is about something that explaining something. Sesuatu yang menerangkan sesuatu. For example, chair. Many chair. What chair? The blue chair, the big chair, the small chair. Okay. Boy. Which boy? The short boy, the tall boy, the lucky boy, the clever boy. Okay. So this mean adjective adalah benda yang menerangkan sesuatu benda. Explaining something. Okay. Okay, we look into this. Okay.
Pretty. Pretty. Pretty.
Okay, this one is pretty. Pretty, you know the adjective of pretty. Pretty face is beautiful face. Okay. First, our adjective is pretty.
Ugly. Ugly. Ugly.
Okay, ugly is the opposite of pretty. Okay, the opposite, the opposite, the what is it? The differences apart from pretty is ugly. Okay, look at my face. Pretty, ugly. Okay. Okay, third one.
Straight hair. Straight hair. Straight hair.
Okay, number 3, straight hair. Okay, straight. Your hair is straight. Okay, not curly. Curly is curly, and now is straight.
Curly hair. Curly hair. Curly hair.
Okay, this time is curly, the opposite of straight hair, and now curly hair.
Blonde hair. Blonde hair. Blonde hair.
Okay, this time is blonde hair. Okay, blonde hair. Blonde is the color of the hair. Okay, it is about almost close to yellow hair. Okay, blonde hair. Okay, orang putih lah, orang putih punya rambut. Okay.
Purple. Purple. Purple.
Okay, purple. One of the color lah. One of the color. Okay, that's all the adjectives you may study for this unit. There are so many adjectives in the world: short, small, big, clever, soft, hard, blunt, sharp. There are so many adjectives in the world. Okay, you may ask your friend, you may refer to the book, you may refer to internet. Okay, what are adjectives? Okay, this time we will listen to this song. Okay, to this song.
Activity 1. Listen and match. Then sing. Smart friends.
Hello, I'm Sharky, I'm a big fish. I've got big teeth and 3 purple fins.
Who's that? Who's that? What's his name?
His name is Greg, he's got brown eyes. His hair is brown, he's very nice.
Who's that? Who's that? What's her name?
Her name is Anna, she's got blonde hair. Her eyes are green, she's a pretty girl.
Okay, that's all for the song. For the unit 1, you must listen to this song. Okay, I hope you understand what the song is all about. There are many so adjectives in the song. The sharky, about the shark, and also about the color The adjective, the hair, the what's more. Okay. Okay, that's all for this week. I hope you will prepare for the next week. For this unit is quite basic, is quite just introducing topic into adjective. Later on we will get on what is all about adjective. As I said earlier, adjective are word that explaining something. For example, boy, we know boy, everyone know boy, but which boy? The short boy, the tall boy, the handsome boy, the clever boy. That handsome, that clever is the adjective we use to refer which boy we are referring. For example, boy. Hey, ball. Okay, ball. We know ball, noun. But what ball? The blue ball, the round ball, the new ball, the fast ball. Okay, that one are adjective. Okay, that's all from me for this week. For all student 3 Al-Biruni and 3 Jazari, if you don't understand, you may refer to your parents. I believe they will help you to understand this topic. It's not really hard. For the exercise, I just want you to list at least 30 adjectives you may find in your house. Okay, list me 30 adjectives you may find in your house. There are so many adjectives. I will help you how to form adjective. For example, okay, now look to your right. Okay, what you can see? Wall. Okay, what you can describe to the wall? The white wall, the hard wall. Okay, they are kat situ je you dah dapat 2 adjective. And then look to your left. Okay, what's on your left? Maybe window. Okay, what you can describe for the window? The shining window, the new window, the old window, the pretty window, the broken window. There are so many adjectives. Okay, list me 30 adjectives from your finding in your house only. Tak payah nak pergi luar. In your house pun cukup 30 adjectives you may find. Okay, if you don't have vocab, you may refer to dictionary. What is that? Okay, ask your sister, ask your brother, ask your parents. Okay, just 30 adjectives, that's all for the exercise. Okay, I hope later you watch this video again and again. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you will understand and complete the exercise. I wish you good luck. That's all for now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.